Welcome, friends. Today, we are doing another unboxing video. Marvellous. That is right, my friends. Once again, I have returned to you, this time with an unboxing video. And the fragrance we will be unboxing today is from Les Indemodables, but it's not what you think. It says Musc Des Sables. Okay, so for the longest time, I did not care for this fragrance. Smelled it once, smelled it twice, thought, nah, I'm not really into musky fragrances, not really my thing. And I'm not going to bother buying it. And recently, Les Indemodables released a new fragrance called Orange Sirocco, and I was sent a discovery kit. And I discovered the fragrance, and I liked it, and I said, let me buy this. And so I got in touch with the UK supplier, Saint-Celier, and I said, I would like to buy this and some other Les Indemodables. Can I do a haul? And she said, yes, you can do a haul. But she needs to make an order from Les Indemodables first. And so she said, if you put your order in, I'll send you what I've got in stock. And then when the rest arrives, I'll send you those as well. So, today I received a package with a couple of backups in. And one new arrival, because when I first mooted getting the new Les Indemodables, I said, could you send me a sample of Musc Des Sables? Pretty sure I don't like the other ones, but let me try this one again. And she did. When she did, I tried it a few times and I thought, no, actually, I really like that. And so here we are. Here we are with my new Les Indemodables. Okay. So here is the box. There will be another Les Indemodables unboxing at some point soon. This used to be styrofoam, but they've gone cardboard. And here is the bottle, Musc Des Sables. Only 50 mils. They only do 50 mils, which is a shame because I wish they did 100 mils. But not to worry. Not to worry at all. This is why we must restock when we can. And this is Musc Des Sables, or Musc Des Sables, I beg your pardon. So, let's have a look what Les Indemodables have to say about Musc Des Sables. Musc Des Sables. There we go. Should have really done that before I started, but not to worry. Orris root, ambergris, Indonesian patchouli, and green mandarin. I like all of those things, to be fair. No musks, but it gives a musky tone. Okay. This is a musky iris sort of thing. Warm, round, soft, a little powdery but fresh. It's got a slightly chocolatey patchouli note going on in there. Very nice. Warm, cozy, fresh. It's a Les Indemodables special, to be honest. It was made in 2019 by Antoine Lee. I think it might have been his first for the brand, but I don't know that. I'm not certain of that, you know. To me, this is what I wanted Musc Ravageur to be, you know. Warm and soft, friendly, approachable. There's not much filth in here, if any, but I absolutely love it. This will be getting blasted in the autumn and winter, you know. It reminds me a little bit of Strangelove's Melt My Heart, you know. But that is it. My friends, just a short little one today. I hope you have enjoyed this unboxing, and I will see you all again soon. Bye.